A cooking egg. En an tantissime daemon ag que tautus mes hontes a dios. Pipit sat upright in her chair, some distance from where I was sitting. Views of the Oxford colleges lay on the table with the knitting. Daguerreotypes and silhouettes, her grandfather and great-aunts, supported on the mantelpiece, an invitation to the dance. I shall not want honour in heaven, for I shall meet Sir Philip Sidney and have talk with Coriolanus and the other heroes of that kidney. I shall not want capital in heaven, for I shall meet Sir Alfred Maund. We two shall lie together, lapped in a 5% exchequer bond. I shall not want society in heaven. Lucretia Borgia shall be my bride. Her anecdotes will be more amusing than Pipit's experience could provide. I shall not want Pipit in heaven. Madame Blavatsky will instruct me in the 7 sacred trances. Picarda de Donati will conduct me. But where is the penny world I bought to eat with Pipit behind the screen? The red-eyed scavengers are creeping from Kentish Town and Gulgers Green, where the eagles and the trumpets, buried beneath some snow-deep Alps, over buttered scones and crumpets, weeping multitudes, droop in 100 ABCs. Didn't expect to see Madame Blavatsky of the Theosophical Society mentioned here.